Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to integrate the MongoDB database to the Django. For that we need some packages to be satisfied on our local machine. For that head out to the browser and type Django. I am using Python installable package Django. Using this line we can install that package. This package will allow us to connect the MongoDB database to our Django project. As you can see, some requirements are satisfied on my local machine because I previously installed on my local machine. For you, it will take a minute and get installed on your local machine. And second one is MongoDB Compass. Download it. This side, and here, as you can see, my operating system was detected. So download this guys. I already installed on my local machine. MongoDB Compass is the requirement. So after installing it, we need to check the Django was installed on our local machine or not. For that, the command is as follows: py space -m Django space hyphen version, which is nothing but Python admin Django version. I am using 3.0.5 on my local machine. So I am going to create a new Django project by using command Python space -m is admin Django space start project space the project name. As of now I'm using project as my project name. You can give as your personal choice. As you can see, the new project folder was created, which is the Django project. So head out to the settings.py file. As you can see, my database was currently DB SQLite 3. I'm going to change it as MongoDB. How can I change? So go to this Python installable package site and copy this database code and paste it in the settings.py file over here. As we all know, we need to change only two things to configure it. First one is engine. The engine is Django. Nothing but MongoDB. The name of my database is demo. So as of now, I haven't created MongoDB demo database. So after installing this Compass application, MongoDB Compass, open it. Be patient, it will take 1 to 2 minutes to load. So after opening, you don't need to do much. Just click on the connect me button. It will connect to the localhost server on your local machine. So after here, click on create database. I'm going to create database as demo, which I previously configured in settings.py file, and collection name could be demo.collection, demo collections. So create database. As you can see, my demo database was successfully created. So head over to the settings.py file, save it. So to make this working, we need to run the command py space. Before doing the command, just navigate to the project folder, which is nothing but the Django project, cd project. So after navigating to the Django project, use the command py space manage.py space make migrations. This command help you to detect the changes in our models. So as of now, we haven't done any changes on models.py file. So no migrations are detected. But Django has built-in 13 tables. We are going to migrate the default tables by using command py space manage.py space migrate. As you can see, we applied the migrations to our MongoDB database. So open the Compass app again and just refresh the localhost. After refreshing, click on the demo. As you can see, there are 13 tables built in by Django. These all are migrated from the Django. So we successfully migrated and connected the MongoDB. Thank you guys.